Use the pry tool to open the iPod Touch. Then disconnect the screen. Before you connect the new screen, wipe the LCD with a piece of cloth to remove dust. Then connect the new screen. It's very difficult to open the iPod Touch, as you may or may not know, without damaging the middle frame in the process or the screen itself. So it's important that before you close the iPod, after you've connected the new screen, to test the screen to make sure it works. Before you close, switch it on to check that it works. But please note, you will only be able to test the touchscreen function. The home button will only work when you have closed the screen fully. So if you switch on the iPod and you test the touchscreen function and it works, you can now close the iPod and you're done. If you're not comfortable doing the repair yourself, we do offer repair services on our website, so you can please visit our website for more details on our repair services. You can buy the digitizer with front glass and the middle frame and the adhesive separately, and you can assemble them before you fit the screen. But it's much easier to buy the pre-assembled complete screen assembly, which is available on our website.